some sun, but still windy out there. This is student meteorologist Zach Duhaime with the forecast update for the last Thursday of November. Pretty seasonable temperatures, around 40 degrees, like I said. Some partly sunny skies, although the clouds went out. But it's a quiet and cold end to November for Friday. That's the last day of November. Tomorrow, looking A-OK. Could be a sprinkle or a flurry, but that's the worst case scenario. Weekend rainstorm again. This is, I think, the third or the fourth weekend. I lost track, honestly, with some rain. Looks like the timing yet again is Saturday night to Sunday morning, which is good for the daylight hours, looking mainly dry both days. Any snow in the forecast, I'm going to touch upon that later on in the forecast. There is a chance, but I'll explain why it's only a chance at this point. Current satellite, I mentioned before, some clouds streaming in from the north and west, so partly to mostly cloudy skies across northern Connecticut. Southern Connecticut actually seeing a lot of sunshine, so that's the good news, but it's still breezy, gusts up to 28 miles per hour, so breezy at times. But the radar is currently dry. They had a nice snowstorm northwest Connecticut up into the Berkshire County area. Look, this whole area the last few days seeing over a foot of snow to the north. Luckily, they're drying out and probably shoveling out from this storm, and there's going to be a rainstorm coming soon, not a snowstorm. So to end the week for tomorrow, ends the month of November on Friday, temperatures around 40, 43, 44, some on the cool, cloudy side, but mainly dry. There could be a passing sprinkle or flurry. Flurry would be to the north, sprinkle to the south around 7 p.m. Friday evening. Any plans, do not cancel them. Just beware, you may see a stray flake or a sprinkle, but that will not be the main story. It's dry through Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening. I think it's a little bit late, so I think by 7, 8 o'clock, some rain's going to be working from southwest to northeast, going to spread over the state throughout the entire night into early Sunday morning. Literally a carbon copy of last week, and it's amazing. It's a week later, and it looks like I just put the same map up here because that's the same story. Then yet again, by 8, 9 o'clock, the rain's moving out, and by 1 o'clock, we're not only turning dry, but we're also turning somewhat sunny. I think some sun will be possible, and depending how much sun we see, look at these temperatures in the mid to upper 50s, 60 possible in some locations, especially along the shoreline. So a very mild afternoon on Sunday, mild again on Monday, cooling off on Tuesday with the push of cooler air. The question is, what happens after that? Some models indicate there is a potential, and look at the title, I want to show you, a snowstorm or no storm. It's a very early call. There could be a snowstorm for about Tuesday night to Wednesday. This model right here shows a low pressure tracking just to the east of the area, bringing us a nice douse of snow. If this tracks down to the south, which is very possible, we get little, if anything. It's still, what, 6 days out, but I just want to put the potential during the last week of classes for us at Westcom. There could, what the codes could be an impactful storm for Wednesday. A lot of time to track this thing out. The pattern says it's possible. Some models say no, but again, models are just forecasting tools. I personally think there's definitely a good chance for something to happen early to midweek and next week. Tonight's forecast, something clear but cool side temperatures, mid to upper 20s, light winds dying off after midnight. Tomorrow's forecast, 38 degrees, PM clouds, cool, rain or snow shower, especially in the evening, but it's more the exception, not the rule. Do not cancel any plans. It will not have any impact on travel. The extended forecast, mainly dry for Saturday, rain heavy at times in the evening, overnight, ending probably by 9, 10 o'clock Sunday morning, drying things out and warming up near 60, 50s again on Monday, cooler on Tuesday. And again, the question is what happens with that storm, but there's a potential for at least some snow Tuesday night into Wednesday. We'll have more updates as we go on to the last week of classes. Do not forget to follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at WCSU Meteorology. I am student meteorologist Zach Duhaime. Enjoy the rest of the week.